Monday, May 12th. This video walks through how we continued building the long campaign from the previous week. We were already long from 56.55 on Thursday and 56.66 on Friday. This trade, it was about scaling with structure, pressing the edge only when price invited us in. But before we jump in, I just want to say thank you. ESDaily is rapidly climbing the Substack growth charts, and that's all because of you. Without that support, this doesn't work. So truly, thank you. Let's get into the 58.13 reclaim long and how we executed it step by step. Sunday night, ES gapped up hard, nearly 100 points. Then Europe opened and we put in a massive 90-point bull candle. This is the type of move that has institutional backing. Bulls were out and pressing full court. That morning's ESDaily laid out the next plan. With price at 58.50, the plan was written in the May 12th newsletter. Wait for 58.13 to act as support once more, then anticipate the flush and reclaim. We weren't buying highs. We weren't getting FOMO because of the price movement. We were watching for a failed breakdown of the Monday 3:45 a.m. retracement into the 58.10 support to reset structure. At 10:36 a.m., we got the retest and low of 58.05. By 10:39, the acceptance and reversal was clear. The reclaim achieved by bulls. I announced the entry and target on X. Entry 58.14.25. T1 was 58.28 and T2 58.51. As expected, failed breakdowns and reclaims move quick. T1 hit at 58.28 within 6 minutes, where we scaled off the majority of our position. By 1:05 p.m., we wrapped T2 at 58.51 just ahead of resistance. We took off more and left a runner. Same discipline and target-taking system as our core strategy requires. Building the campaign, it was a success. No knife catching, no guessing on direction, patience and acceptance. Price is now at 59.30, and we're still long as of Thursday, May 15th. Want trades like this mapped for you daily? Join the thousands of subscribers and take more trades like the 56.55, 56.66, and 58.14.25 long. Go to esdaily.com and subscribe.